Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do this half cut crease smoked out look, and today we're just going to be doing eyes as this was quite complex. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm starting off by prepping my lid and carving up my brow, which were previously filled in, and for this I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade 02. Make sure you buff out the edges so there are no harsh lines. Now I'm taking the LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just applying this to my lid as a base for the eyeshadow, and then I'm also going to be really blending this out and pulling it out towards my temples. Now I'm taking the Fetish Palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be applying this green colour to the inner corners, and I'm just going to be applying this colour on, making sure that it's really blended out, and I'm going to be doing a few layers to ensure that I get a really good colour payoff. Next I'm going to go in with Swiss Chocolate by MAC, and I'm just going to be doing exactly the same but on the outer corner, and I will be blending this colour out towards the temples as well. Now taking Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, I'm just going to be blending out the Swiss Chocolate, and the shade that I'm using for this is Dark Tan. Then again I'm just going to go back and forth, do a few more layers to really intensify those colours. Now taking Parallel from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, I'm just going to be intensifying that outer corner. Then once again I'm going back in and making sure that blend is perfect. Picking up that P. Louise base again, I'm now going to be cutting my crease, and I'm going to be cutting it just at the front to the centre of my eyelid and slightly above my natural crease. Again, making sure there are no harsh lines. Now taking Submissive from the Kat Von D palette, I'm just going to be applying this all over where we have just applied our base. I'm using a really small brush for this to ensure that I don't smudge up that crisp line. My camera then decided to die on me, so whilst the battery was charging I went ahead and I done my other eye. I'm now taking the shade Throne, and I'm just going to be buffing this into the inner corner again. Be careful not to mess up with the line, and what I'm doing here is I just wanted to increase the contrast between the cut crease and that blend. I then went in with the NYX glitter glue, and I'm applying the Gatsby pigment by Peaches and Cream on top, and the glitter glue will just make sure that that pigment really stands out. Again, making sure everything is perfectly blended. I've gone back in with Parallel, and I'm also intensifying that outer corner. Now I'm just taking the shade Obsidian and I'm just going to smoke this along my lash line. And next I've just gone ahead and put on some lashes. I'm now going ahead and preparing my under eye. I'm just using a Bourjois concealer and buffing that into the skin, and also be careful not to mess up that pulled out blend. I'm now gone ahead and I'm buffing in Throne into my lower lash line, and also I do occasionally go in for that green from the Kat Von D palette and buff them both in together. So now going back in with Parallel, I'm connecting the bottom to the top, and then I'm just blending everything out with Dark Tan by MAC. Next I'm just lining my waterline, and for this I've used the Inglot 77 gel liner. Then to intensify the outer corner, I'm just blending in a little bit of that Obsidian eyeshadow. Then to finish off the eye look, I've just gone ahead and I'm highlighting the inner corner with Nylon by MAC, and then the eye look is completed. The complexion I did do off camera. If you would like to see how I do my complexion, then you can just visit one of my previous videos. And this is the final look. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up, and thank you ever so much for watching. Until next time.